Ukraine launches FPV drone, Russian ammo bot blown apart. On the front lines, there was no warning, only impact. Fighters from Ukraine's Donbas Battalion spotted an unusual target creeping across contested terrain. A Russian unmanned ground vehicle, loaded with ammunition and crawling toward forward positions. Designed to avoid human losses and quietly resupply troops under fire, the robotic carrier never reached its destination. Within moments, a Ukrainian FPV drone locked on. The drone operator guided it low and fast, skimming over shattered earth and debris. The crosshair steadied. Then, detonation. The explosion ripped through the ground drone's chassis, igniting the ammunition it was hauling. Secondary blasts followed, scattering burning fragments across the field. What was meant to reinforce Russian positions instead turned into a fiery liability. The destruction of the robotic supply unit highlights a new phase in battlefield adaptation: machines targeting machines. As Russia increasingly relies on unmanned ground platforms to move supplies under constant surveillance, Ukrainian FPV teams are proving that even robotic logistics are no longer safe. On this battlefield, nothing moves unnoticed, and nothing moves for long.